Hi all, welcome to OET Speaking and Writing. Please read this card. You have 2 minutes for the preparation.
Good morning, Mr. John. How are you feeling now?
Where am I?
You are in the emergency department of Brighton Hospital. My name is Sarah and I am the nurse on duty today. I have been asked by the doctors to attend you. I understand that you have been in a car accident, is that right? Can you remember and tell me anything about your car accident?
I can't remember. Where are my friends?
Oh, your friends. I'm so sorry. I don't have any information for you right now, probably. I will get it later, but right now, I really want you to remember anything more about the accident.
I told you. I can't. It hurts my head.
I understand you are going through pain. Where is it actually hurting?
On left side.
Can I have a look at it? I just want to see if there is no open wound. May I proceed?
Yes. You can.
I don't see any open wound, John, but I can see a bruise in that area. Maybe it must have been caused by the collision there. You may not worry.
Where's my friends?
As I mentioned earlier, I don't have any information about them for you right now, but surely I would get you updated later. Not now. I want to know that you are okay. So I would like to check your vital signs for further assessment. Can I proceed?
I need a phone to contact my friends.
Don't be tense, John. I will get you a phone, but later, not now. I need to move on with checking you. May I proceed?
All right. My phone is missing. Can I have yours?
I am afraid. Not now. Later. First, let me check your health is satisfactory.
Okay. Can you tell me where is chapel? I need to pray. It's Friday. Right.
Actually, it is Saturday. No problem, you can visit the chapel when you want. But not now. Later.
Are you sure? Is it Saturday?
Yes. It's really a Saturday. Would you tell me how is your arm? Is there much pain?
Yes.
Can you move your fingers for me?
No, I can't. It's painful.
Is there anywhere else that it hurts?
Yes. My neck and head also painful.
I understand you're going through a lot of pain. I could provide you some relief measures like ice pack. That's surely going to reduce your pain. Probably I can adjust the position of you. You will be more comfortable. Will that be okay?
Okay. Find my friends.
Your friends, we would find where they are. But first, let us see that you're okay. May I check your heart rate if you don't mind? I just want to make sure that you are fine, and your heart is beating fine, John. May I proceed?
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. John. Your heart is beating fine. And that's good news, and let the doctors come in and have a check to confirm that you don't have anything serious other than the pain in your head and neck. Will that be okay?
Okay.
I will get you an ice pack. That's going to reduce your pain. Just stay relaxed and calm down. Let's wait for the doctor. Doctor is dealing with a critical patient. He will come in and check you within no time. I will be back soon. Meanwhile, if you need any assistance, please press the buzzer which is on the right-hand side of your bed. Thank you, Mr. John. I will be back soon.